What is up, boys and girls? Because no girls really watch my stuff, but anyway. So today I'm gonna show you how to make a couple of dollars with your truck. I have a trailer also, which you guys, if you're returning viewers, you might have seen. But today I'm going to pick up somebody's boat for them and bring it to their house. Yeah, I'll record as much as I can, but so I made a Facebook Marketplace post, and you know, just saying, you got a truck, you need something moved, let me know. And we're getting a couple we get a couple people that hit us up. So today we're gonna be doing a job.
Turn right to Palin Road.
And I'm gonna just take you for a ride with me so you see how it is and see how easy it is to make a few extra dollars. That's why I have all these nice things, because I'm always working. Just punched out of the 9 to 5. Well, it's not. It's like a 5 to 3, 5 to 4. It's about 4 o'clock right now. So, yeah, we got about, I don't know, 45-minute ride, but traffic's building, so who knows how long it'll be by the time we get there. But I'll pick you guys up when we get to the boat. We're using his boat trailer. I tried this already. I'll post a picture. Yeah, I'll post a picture now. Alright, so the tire tread flew right off, and you can't really even inspect for that. But yeah, using other people's stuff, it's kind of sketchy because it could leave you stranded on the side of the road and it's not even yours, so that sucks. I was able to turn around and bring it back. I was only driving for about, I don't know, half an hour-ish, and spun her around. He supposedly got new tires, threw them on there, and told me she's ready. So round 2, here we come. We're here, boys. We're at the boat. Package received. Just gotta switch my hitch, hook up the trailer, and we'll be rolling out of here. Alright, we're hooked up as good as it's gonna get. Hopefully it'll stay on there. Now we start. It's like an hour ride to get to where we gotta deliver it. Wish us luck. Second time doing this. Actually, let me check the lights, and pick you guys up on the road. All right, we're rolling. A couple things you should know before going to sign yourself up for something like this is make sure you know how to drive with a trailer. And yeah, just know that whatever people want you to tow, it's usually always junk. So expect the worst. Hope for the best. We're gonna roll out. Hopefully this boat stays on back there, and hopefully it's a good trip. We got an hour and 20 minutes on the clock.
In 0.2 miles, turn right to Stanley Rough Road.
Maybe I'll pick you up on the highway, but I don't know. I've never towed a boat trailer before. There's a lot of reverse tongue weight, so this thing is a bouncy bitch. It sucks, so be careful with that, and can't go too fast because it starts swaying. Just feels like junk back there. Just feel it just slapping around on the hitch. That's all I need is to pop off and smash my freaking truck. Alright, I'll pick you guys up on the highway. Enough rambling on for me. Alright, and just like that, the job is done, boys. Just made some greenbacks. Quick 500. So, yeah. Gotta love those. And he said he'll be calling me, so I'll see him next season.
350 feet.
Bring his boat back to where I picked it up from. It's gotta be good at what you do, and you'll make some money with your truck, boys. So follow me for more tips and tricks. No, I'm kidding. But
400 feet, turn
yeah, if you like these kind of videos, let me know. I'll record more of my my tow jobs I do. I get random ones, you know, classic cars, tractors, anything that'll go on my trailer. So drop a like, comment, share, subscribe, and we will catch you on the next one, boys.